It's your boy. I'm back with another video. So I got this Dr. Pepper. It's cherry, black cherry. Never had it before. I'm gonna try that out. But I got this steak, egg, and cheese sandwich with provolone, mayonnaise, and tomatoes on it. I want to see what this junk talking about. If I can get it to come apart. Look at that junk there. Steak, egg, tomato, provolone cheese. Let's do it. Mm-hmm. Blessing. That's actually really good. I got that from the market, Dickerson Market. It's the bread's toasted nicely, and the tomatoes are fresh. The meat seasoned properly. The egg is cooked just the way I asked for it. So yeah, man, that was actually pretty good. Let's try this. Not too bad, man. That's actually pretty good. It tastes like blackberry too, but it still, it ain't like that Sprite tea that came out. Tastes like Sprite, but tastes like tea. Like it just didn't mix well. This is blended pretty good because Dr. Pepper and blackberry almost have like the same. It's hard to explain, but it the blackberry blends good with the Dr. Pepper. So overall, man, I have to give the Dr. Pepper. I give that like a 8. The sandwich, I get a sandwich like a 7.5. You know, peace, y'all. Until next time.